Hello all, today I am here again with another chapter, third lesson, his first flight. The second part of this lesson is The Black Aeroplane and it is written by Frederick Forsyth. Let us know what are the learning outcomes of this lesson. First point is to make students believe of the mysteries that exist in this world. Second point, to help them think critically. Third is to enable them share their personal experiences and to enable them think of an alternative ending of the story. Let us begin the story. First of all, we should know about the author of this lesson. Frederick Forsyth was an English author and political commentator. He was best known for thrillers. He wrote so many books that were full of thrills, horror, etc. The Black Aeroplane is a mystery story. It revolves around the mystery who was another pilot. The narrator was going on his way to England, hoping to have a good English breakfast with his family. When he was flying his old Dakota aeroplane, his aeroplane name was Dakota, and he was going from France to England. At that time, it was midnight and sky was very clear. The author was dreaming with his family to have holiday and take English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. The author was very happy. He had started his journey from Paris, and at that time Paris was about 150 kilometers behind him. Suddenly he saw great stormy clouds ahead of him. There were huge mountain-shaped clouds. Everything was suddenly black. The author could not see anything outside the aeroplane. His compass and other instruments, they all were failed. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. Then in the black clouds quite near him, he saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings, but another aeroplane was near his aeroplane. The pilot of another aeroplane waved his hand to the narrator and asked him to follow. So the narrator followed him. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in front of author's Dakota aeroplane, so that it would be easier for the author to follow him. Suddenly, the author came out of the clouds and saw two long straight lines of lights in front of him. With the help of another aeroplane, he landed safely. He saw that it was a runway, an airport. He was safe. The author went to the control room to ask about the pilot of another aeroplane, that was Black Aeroplane, because the author wanted to thank his friend who had helped him from the stormy clouds. The clerk who was sitting there, she looked at the author very strangely and she laughed. She said, "Another aeroplane? There in the storm." No other aeroplane was flying tonight. The author was shocked when the lady informed him that there was no other aeroplane flying in the sky that night. Now, so many questions remained unanswered, mysterious, unsolved. They were: who helped the author to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in his tank? Second question was: who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without light? That is a mystery of this story. Thank you.